So I thought today I would do a what I eat in a day while I'm here in California visiting family, taking you through how I eat or what I eat in order to still make healthy decisions. But when you're eating with family, you may not have 100% control. So I started off with just water this morning with lemon, pretty straightforward, and we gotta make some coffee. So for breakfast, I'm going to have a little piece of this gluten-free bread from Trader Joe's, avocado, and then a few tomatoes on the side and some blueberries. So this is it. We have blueberries, a little slice of toast, avocado, salt and pepper, and some heirloom tomatoes. Yummy. So we are off to this place called Erewhon Market. It's basically like Whole Foods, but a lot more fancy, and they have a lot more wellnessy things. We're gonna grab some food, some hopefully fun, healthy stuff. I'm really excited because I've never been, so you can only imagine it's very Keep Up With Liv friendly. So for snack, I'm having some of these jicama sticks with this creamy cashew fiesta dip from Trader Joe's. The ingredients on it, if I can find them. There we go. Yeah, so it's really good. A little crunchy snack. If you've never tried jicama before, I say it tastes like crunchy water, to be honest. And then for dinner this night, we made some cauliflower gnocchi as well as some grass-fed bunless burgers. This cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's is so good, but if you don't live near Trader Joe's, I'm gonna link my homemade recipe down below. And we also sauteed some mushrooms and some onions on the side, and this was the final product with just a little bit of salad and some green goddess dressing.